Good morning friends, this is Vibhor here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the Apple Airtags. I have got this set of 4 Airtags which I have been using since past over a month now, and now I can give you my exact reviews, what I like about them, what I don't like about them, and whether you should purchase them or not. Alright, those of you who might not know, Apple Airtags are these small little button sort of thing which you can connect to any of your device. One of them I have connected to my bag over here, which I carry my laptop in whenever I commute to my office. So if I leave this bag somewhere in my office, or maybe I lose it in the train, I can actually track it through my phone using Find My Network on the Apple's ecosystem. Now what's beauty about this is, because Apple has got more than 1 billion devices across the world, wherever your device is, wherever your Apple AirTag is connected to any particular thing, you can search it around the world. It is going to use the Apple's network to send an encrypted message to Apple server, which then relays to your phone and gives you a location of where your lost item is. Now that's all very rosy and good, but does it actually work? Now all the things that I have tested, it does work on my car keys, it does work on my bag. I have also put it on my dog, my pet, on his collar. What I have seen is the Apple AirTag does not work really nice on something which is moving. So definitely your precise location, which happens only with iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 as of now, that does not work when my dog is moving around. So it is good for something like I lost my car keys, I can search it at home through my phone. It works beautifully for that. Now the issue with this entire infrastructure, with this entire network, is that your device, your AirTag, needs to be in the range of an Apple device within a range of roughly around 30 feet. Now that being said, if your dog is outside and you lost your dog outside, it's likely that he's gonna be away from humans, it's gonna be away from people around them. So it's unlikely that your dog is gonna be somewhere close to a human being who is carrying an iPhone. Also, I have noticed that whenever you put this on something which is moving, so I gave it to my son when we were in the mall, and it said like once it's somewhere in the mall, it gives me a bubble, and that bubble is the entire mall. So realistically, if you think you can put it on your kids when they're playing in a shopping center, I don't think it's gonna work. They're gonna get lost. So don't try that. So another issue with this is this is pretty thick. So personally I cannot put it in my wallet because my wallet is very thin and it just have credit cards and that's it. So essentially this cannot go inside my wallet. Even if you have that traditional thick wallet, this is going to be really bulky in the wallet. It's going to bulge out your wallet a lot. I would wait for another edition. I would say the next iteration of this, Apple might make it thinner, and then it will be more usable to be put inside the wallet. Now another major issue which is there with Apple AirTag is we have got a family sharing. Now me, my wife, my son, they share everything in the Apple ecosystem. All my purchases, they are being shared around, but Apple somehow missed it, probably because of privacy concern or something. Apple AirTags cannot be shared in the family yet. So that's a big problem, because I tell you what happens. One of these AirTags is in my car keys. Now if I am in office and I go by public transport, the car keys are at home. If Jatika, my wife, she drives that car, Apple AirTag gives her a signal that an AirTag is following you, and eventually that stops the tracking system altogether. So that's a big issue. Also, if the car keys are misplaced at home and she is at home and she is about to drive the car and she is trying to find those car keys, she cannot use it. I'm in the office, I cannot find car keys for her, and this AirTag can only be tagged to just one phone at a time. So you do not have family sharing. I don't know why Apple missed that stuff. family sharing should be very much allowed on this, but this is probably a software thing. In the next update, I guess Apple is gonna allow at least an AirTag to be used across the family, because then it's absolutely not usable. So conclusion, after a month of use of these Apple AirTag, I would say it's a nice little thing, nice little handy thing. Positive, on the positive note, because Apple has got 1 billion devices, it has got a really strong Apple ecosystem. So wherever your particular personal item is, if you lose it in a bar after a lot of drinks, you would know the precise location where it is, and you can actually go and find that up. On the downside, because it does not have family sharing, it becomes absolutely non-usable for people who share a particular thing. Say you want to share your car keys, pretty useless in that scenario. Also, if you want to use this to track your dog, I would say it's gonna be pretty useless, because if your dog is gonna run away from your home, eventually he's not gonna go and sit with a human being. He'll try to go out in the jungle. He's gonna try to go out in the bushes where there are no human beings. Tracking is gonna be difficult. Even if he crosses a house and you get a track that he might be in that particular street or in that particular location, by the time you get that notification, that dog might be in some altogether different area. But yeah, that being said, yes, if the dog gets lost, it's going to give you an approximate location in the last, like where he was in the last 5 or 10 minutes. That can be useful to certain people. Let me know in the comment section below what you think, and what do you think, where should Apple improve on their AirTag system. I would say my personal thing is like family sharing a must have, and secondly, it should update the location pretty quick, because what I've seen is in some instances a particular AirTag location was not updated for the last 5 or 10 minutes, and I had an iPhone right next to it. So that's all for this video, guys. I would say if you are not very much in need of an Apple AirTag, wait for, I would say, another iteration of this to come. Next generation might be much better, or who knows, maybe they'll resolve these issues with a software update. So I'll see you again in my next video, guys. Till then, take care. See you. Bye bye.